Hey guys, welcome back. So in this session, we will discuss definition of Java. So we had already discussed Java is object-oriented programming language. Okay. So Java is a very simple, high-level, secured, platform-independent, object-oriented programming language. You could see mostly companies if we having the we need a more secured, right? So that is the main things here. The security level, we have to provide the very good security over there. We having the many language object oriented and all, but yeah, the Java having the more secured. So it was developed by James Gosselin in Sun Microsystem in 1990s for developing internet application. First version is released in January 23rd, 1996. So that's it in this session, guys. So see you in the next session.